So somewhere in this picture there's a cyclist. Can you guess where they are? And what's your opinion on cyclists? Well, it doesn't really matter because how you deal with them is what's important. And on this video, I'm going to show you the wrong way and the right way to deal with them so that you can pass your driving test. Let's get into it. One mistake lots of learners make is thinking that they have to go past a cyclist. In this situation, you can see it's quite narrow. You've got the car with the door open as well. So this wouldn't be a good place to try to overtake. So this is the correct way to do it. Don't be in a rush. A lot of people see cyclists as like this sort of target that they have to go around. If you get that out of your head, understand that they have a right to be on the road just like you have, and give them space and room, it will be much easier. Don't be thinking, oh my god, I gotta go around them, especially if you see them looking around their shoulder. They're about to go around something, so take your time and then wait for a nice gap. You see this situation here, you've got a car coming towards us on the right as well, so it wouldn't be safe to go around them at that point there. But then when the cyclist moves more towards the left, now there's more room, then you can overtake. In the first place, don't be in a rush, wait for a nice safe space and then do it. If you know you're going to make a turn and you've got a cyclist in front of you, don't be tempted to go past them and then make the turn. This is very dangerous and you are going to fail your test if you do this. The correct way would be to stay behind the cyclist and then turn once they've gone past the junction or once they've turned into the junction as well. Don't overtake and then make your turn. So if you want to be a cyclist and you want to look cool like this guy over here, head over to uk.dyucycle.com where you can order yourself this T1, an electric bike which is foldable. The battery is removable so you can take it out and charge it. So if you're taking it on your commute, if you want to store it somewhere, it's very, very compact and easy to fold away. Once you're ready to go again when you reach the destination, very easy to reassemble. So head over to uk.dyucycle.com and you can get yourself one of these. Once you order it, the bikes are shipped out very fast and it's also free delivery, so you can't really go wrong with that. And if you do somehow change your mind, there's a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can't go wrong. Junctions are where most accidents happen and where most people fail their driving test, so you need to be extra careful here. If there's not enough space for you to go comfortably next to the cyclist, stay behind them, then once they go, then you can follow them through. So earlier I asked you if you can spot where the cyclist is hidden in this picture. Here they are, hidden behind this pillar. When you come to a junction like this, it's really important that you're aware that pillars might be hiding cyclists. When it comes to meeting situations, don't ignore cyclists. They need space to come through, so if you're going through with them, treat them like any other vehicle coming towards you and leave them plenty of room so that they can go past comfortably. And then on the dual carriageway, it can be quite tempting to overtake them and keep into the same lane. This would be too close, especially at higher speeds. Instead, make sure you change lanes fully so that you're in a completely separate lane. That way you're not too close to them. And then when you finish, check your mirrors and go back to the left when it's safe to do so.